Everyone, welcome again. And today, in this chapter of the OOPS, we are going to discuss about the four main principle of the object-oriented programming. First, I am going to explain bit about the encapsulation. What is the meaning of encapsulation? Encapsulation means hiding internal data, allowing access only through control method or properties. I will explain bit in the code, then you will get the what is the meaning of allowing access only through the control method. Okay, you can use access modifiers. We already discussed private, public, protected, internal, and all. Okay, properties we can use get set. What is the actual definition? Encapsulation is the process of binding data and methods together into a single unit, restricting direct access to some of the object's data. Okay, let's go little bit example in the Visual Studio. Suppose I created a class employee and declare a method salary. Now let's go in the program employee 1. I creating the object and employee 1 dot salary equal to 1000 console dot run. Let's run the program. You can say it's print 1000 because I am setting the employee dot salary equal to 1000. Okay, now suppose this is the public and anyone can access, and I am just suppose I want to set the minus 1000, it will also accept because it is the public parameter and anyone can access, anyone can change. So this is the not for in the encapsulation. So how we can achieve so that anyone can the access with the some control over the this variables. Now let's create the let I am going to change. I am making this private. Okay. Now you can see here I am not able to access because this we already discussed the private cannot be accessed from the outside of the class. Fine. Now let's create a property public int you can see here this is the public property I created. Get return salary, set salary equal to value. Get means to read the properties value get will support, and to setting the any value set will support. So you can see here we have some control over this. Okay. Now suppose I want to add some condition on setting. Suppose if value greater than 0, then it will set the value, otherwise it will not set the value. Let's see here. This is the capital, this is the, so I need to set salary and I will put capital. Let's see here. I am passing the minus value. It will be set or not. Let's see. You can say 0 because it's not setting the value due to the condition. In the set, I added the condition if value greater than 0, then it will be set. In this way, we have the controlled access. That is called encapsulation. I am removing the minus. You can see now. We can access now. Hope you are able to understood about the encapsulation. Let's go to definition and encapsulation means restricting direct access to the data members or any objects or all. Okay. So here I, this is the salary is the private variable and we created the object and setting the salary with some controlled. So anyone cannot set the wrong value in the salary. That is called encapsulation. Okay. What is the benefits of encapsulation? So this is the benefits of encapsulation. Encapsulation helps to protect data from unauthorized access. Okay. Improve security. Control how to data modified. We can control how to data modify. Let's say the real time example of the bank account. Your bank account balance is private. No one can access. But you can access using the methods like deposit, withdraw or get balance. Directly we cannot access, but yeah, through the method we can access this value. This prevent illegal operation. Like one more example, real time example like the ATM machine. You directly cannot access the money, but through the buttons on the ATM machine you can access that money. You are adding the password and some button we are pressing and then money will be come out. We can access the money. That is called encapsulation. Okay. So hope you are able to clear now the encapsulation, right? Yeah, that's all. Thanks for this video, and in the next video I will go more details about the other principle of the object oriented programming. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible, and if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Thank you.